Okay guys, I just figured out something. The PS4 charging cable that came with the PS4, you know, you plug it in and everything, you put it in the controller, you don't need the PS4 controller, or PS4 charging cable for the controller. I have this LG phone cable. All I have to do is plug it into here, an outlet, then plug it into the PS4 controller, and it will charge. To know that it's charging, you hold the PS button. This should pop up, and right down there, it tells you that it's charging. Did not know that. Thanks for watching. Bye.